Hi everyone and welcome to my place. There is an emergency at my place, a week into lockdown isolation, and I have no perfume. So I thought, okay, I'm resourceful, I will make it. I don't believe that there are vital services out there that will attend to my fragrance needs. So in times like this, I'm just going to have to be very inventive, and this is my emergency solid cream perfume that I've come up with. Okay, so into a little jar, hopefully you've got some beeswax. It's 5 grams of the beeswax, goes into a little jar, and 15 mils of oil. I've used a jojoba, but you could use sweet almond oil, whatever you've got. That goes into that little jar. Then that goes into a double boiler. One moment. Here is my double boiler. Oops, you get back into there. I will take that one out because that's been in there for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll put that into there, put that back on the stove. Allow that to melt. This needs to cool down just a tiny little bit, and you'll notice that I've got handy kitchen towels on my surface. The reason I've got those on my surface is because I don't want wax on my bench, because it's quite difficult to get off. You've got to scrape it off, or what you can do is you can just scrape it off and then put a bit of a handy towel over the top of it and get your warm iron and just, you know, quickly put the iron over it until it lifts off. Okay, now when this is cool, like hand warm cool, like you would give a baby, that's when you can put your essential oils in. Now, whatever oils you've got, just use them. I've got, because I feel like it, a little bit of musk I found, and as I said, I'm going to put 2 mils into there. Yes, perfect. Put that into there like that, and give that a little swirl around, and then I've got this little dish here that I'm going to put that into, and I'm now going to just leave that until it sets. Put that just down there, just leave it alone. It doesn't take long to set. Now then what I do with it is I either label it and keep it in the lid, in the tin, or last year my sweetheart for Valentine's gave me this beautiful little wee carry around locket that's got a little perfume thing inside it, and hopefully I can get it to come out. Oh no, it won't come out. No, I want you to come out. Oh no, it won't come out. But normally what I do is I get a little pin. There's a wee pin. One moment till I get the pin. This emergency filming and being in isolation is quite difficult, let me just tell you. Now that little pin there just goes into there, there it is, and that just pops out, and what I do is when that sets, I just get a knife and I scoop a little bit of that onto a hot knife and then put that into this little dish that I heat up. That goes back into there, and then I wear that. Give it a wee wipe because it's got a little bit of my gooby fingers on it, and there I have my emergency perfume in a hurry. How quick and easy was that? Problem solved. I've got my perfume. Now I'm going to do another version of this, which I'll share with you very shortly, and it doesn't involve the oil, but it involves the lanolin. So I've had a lovely time here in my kitchen. I hope you're well, stay safe, keep your 2 meters away from everybody, and if you don't need to go out, don't go out. See you again soon. Bye.